Hello everybody, my name's Braden.
And my name's Mil.
And today we're going to be making...
How to make macaroni and cheese.
How to make macaroni and cheese, exactly. So, what are we going to be needing, Mil?
So, we have a bowl full of noodles.
Okay.
2 kind of cheese.
Okay. Oh yes, we also have the cottage cheese and the
4 eggs.
eggs, right?
And butter and cream cheese. Mustard
And our special seasoning. Okay. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to crack our eggs.
in this bowl.
In this bowl, exactly. So we're going to be using 2 eggs. The other 2 we're going to save for later so we can make another special dish, okay? So, you crack one and I'll crack one. All right.
Okay.
So no shells in it. There you go. Yeah, perfect, Mil. Alrighty, nice job. Okay.
I got ideal for me.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
Do you want me to get a towel?
yeah.
Okay, okay, we're gonna mix all this stuff into a bowl and then, yeah. You ready, Mil? You ready to do some serious power mixing?
I'm going to mix it.
Alright, you're gonna mix it up. So we're gonna get our big, super ginormous mixer. It's huge. Alright, so let's put all of our noodles in there. So you'll scoop them in, okay? I believe this is 2 boxes of shells. Now we use shells because the shell shape gets all the flavor and stuff and it kind of takes it away. Sure. And also because there is nothing else at the store. Okay, and then next we are going to put our cheese. So, we have 2 kinds of cheese here. We have mozzarella and sharp cheddar. You can use whatever cheese you like. My mom likes gorgonzola, my dad likes blue cheese. You can choose whatever you like, whatever makes you happy.
My mom's favorite color is pink and my dad's favorite color is purple.
Exactly. Alright, so let's put this cheese in. Let's actually use this. There, you push it in. Don't spill any. There you go. Alright. Perfect. Nice job. Okay, we're gonna put cottage cheese in there. And we have 2 cups of our cottage cheese, which is a lot. But, you know, then again, we are a family of 7 people, so you gotta double it. Okay. Let's actually mix this up right now before we put anything else in. I'm gonna go like this.
Got some on my finger.
Tastes good? Okay, so now we have all of our noodles and our cheeses. And so now
I mix it up together.
and she mixed it up very well. Like, how much? Let me see your arm. See your strong arms. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, so now we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. So we have our 2 eggs, our butter, our cream cheese, mustard, and seasoning. Alright, so we're gonna put our eggs in.
There you go.
Then we're gonna add our butter and our cream cheese. So let's just slide it. Shake, shake, shake. Don't worry, your hands are clean during this time. They are very clean. Wash them every single time. Alright, so let's mix this up a little bit, Miliana. Hold it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now we're gonna get our mustard and our seasoning, which we use Everglade seasoning. This seasoning is amazing, it's really good. The thing is, it's kind of salty, so you're gonna make sure you add a little bit of it, and you can always add, but you can never take away. So some people like more salt, some people don't. So do it to your preference. So we're gonna add our mustard.
Well, I don't like salt.
There we go.
I like mustard.
Now we're going to add a 1 teaspoon of Everglades. So put that in there. Okay, now dump it in. All right, there we go. So now it's time to mix all of this together. So, you ready, Mil? Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we finished mixing, and you want to make sure you mix it really well so everything gets incorporated. You want to make sure you broke your eggs and everything's just mixed really nicely. Just like that. Alright, so now we're going to pour it into our dish. We have butter to make sure it doesn't stick. We've also preheated our oven to 325 degrees. So, Miller, ready to pour this in? Okay, you be the scooper, and I'll be the guy who holds it.
There's a lot in there.
Sure is a lot in there.
There's so much. Let's get that on. That's all thing.
Oh no.
I think we need another bowl.
We're almost done. Give it up, get the rest, get the rest, get the rest. Oh, okay.
Got some more table, let's.
Okay, so now that I cleaned up my mom's counter, we're going to pat all this down so it like lies flat with the rest of this pan. Here you go, Mel. Here's your spoon. Here's my spoon. And let's squish this down so it's nice and flat. I'll mix that sugar.
I think that looks enough.
Looks enough flat? Alright. So, now we're going to bake this in the oven at 325 degrees until bubbly and golden, until you can hear that cheese popping. That's when you know you got it perfect. So you ready to bake this, Mil?
Yeah.
Macaroni and cheese is finished baking. We had it at 325 for about half the time, and then we put some cheese on top, and then put it again and raised it to 400 for the rest of the time. So
And it
it's
smells really good.
It smells really good. It baked about 40 minutes in total. So, are you ready to try it?
Yeah.
This is the moment we've all been waiting for.
The moment when I'll be waiting for it. And I just found Easter eggs. Bring Easter eggs,
It's like
honey.
super cheese is like really melty right now.
So
Okay, so it's gonna be hot. Then don't bring enough. Get a little one.
it's like really good.
Really good stuff. So the blend of cheeses is just really well. You can really taste that mozzarella. It's just like super stringy. You got the iconic taste. Then you have that sharp cheddar. It just backs it up. It tastes it's like really really good. What do you think, Mel? It's good. Okay, so don't forget, the amount of cheese you put in there is totally up to you, to your preference. So yes, we put it an extra amount of cheese in there about halfway through. It's good stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it,
And good stuffing.
and good stuffing. So my name's Braden,
And my name's Lil.
and thank you for watching our video.
Bye. Really good.
It is really good. You can give me some.